This video tutorial I will explain how to connect to EC2 instance via SSH. Here you can see Linux machine. Here you can see Amazon EC2 instance. First we have to log into this Linux machine. Then using SSH we can connect to this Amazon EC2 instance. We will see how to do that. First I will log into this Linux machine using Putty software. I am going to log into this Linux machine. Next, we will connect to this Amazon EC2 instance using SSH. Here I have logged into AWS console, and now we are going to connect to this particular EC2 instance. It is up and running. Select this and click on connect, and click on SSH client, and here the instruction is provided how to connect to the particular EC2 instance using SSH. To connect to this particular EC2 instance, we need this particular perm file that we have downloaded when we launch this particular instance. So when you do ls, there is no user API.perm file is there. So we have to place the perm file in this particular Linux machine. Next we will do that. Open WinSCP software and connect to this Linux machine and place this perm file. Now do ls, it is there. And here they have given instruction like run this command if necessary to ensure your key is not publicly viewable. Copy this. And to connect to this particular instance, we have to use public DNS. This is the public DNS. And to connect using SSH, we have to use this command. Copy this. SSH -i, then the perm file location, then username is EC2-user, then @ public DNS name. Click on enter, and here you can see it is successfully connected. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.